This lesson, we're writing a program called break time, and essentially the program is going to provide us a total of 3 breaks separated by 10 seconds for this example. Okay? So what we have here is the Python IDE interface, idle interface, and then the break time script that we wrote. And basically we have first an import time and an import web browser. We're calling these two Python standard library modules that we're going to use, time and web browser. We're going to initialize the number of breaks, so set a variable total breaks underscore breaks equals 3. We're going to initialize the break count at 0, so we haven't taken any breaks yet, so we start with 0. And then when this program runs, the first thing it'll do is print this program has started on, and then we call the time module, and then ctime is the current time, so it prints out the current time. It's going to start a loop where while the break count is less than the total breaks, which we set at 3, it's going to do these things. It's going to sleep for 10 seconds, time sleep. We give it 10 seconds. Calls the web browser module. It opens this typo negative video, and then applies. It adds 1. It increments the break count by 1. Starts over. It sees that break count is still less than 3 total breaks, so it runs through the loop again. Time to sleep 10. Web browser opens. A new break video. Then it increments the break count by 1. Brings us back to the beginning. The break count at this point is 2, so it's still less than 3, and runs through the process again. When it gets back through to after the 3rd time, it'll see that the break count isn't less than 3. Therefore, the program stops or exits, or the loop exits at that point. Cool?
What?
Did that make sense?
No.